Hey guys, it is Kevin here, BusanKevin. It's been a long time, I haven't been talking to you guys. This is our laundry room, and those are plants. Those are chili peppers and basil, which I have growing in here because I have so many pests outside of the balcony because we live in a subtropical climate right next to Hong Kong. One thing I just wanted to mention, first of all, I'm okay. Doing a lot of podcasting, a lot of Twitter. Link will be below. I'm always active on Twitter, on Instagram, stuff like that. Links are below. One thing I'm gonna ask you guys to do, if you don't mind, my newly minted 11-year-old, my son Kai just turned 11. He's recently been getting into Lego stop motion. He's also very interested in World War II history, Canadian history, stuff about D-Day, Juno Beach, and all that stuff. So he's been really getting into Lego stop motion and reading a lot about history and just kind of, he's building his skill set and eventually wanting to do some more kind of epic things. So what I'm gonna ask you to do, if you don't mind, links below, his channel is called KO Bricks, KO Bricks. If you don't mind, go check it out, go subscribe, that would make him very happy. Go check out one of his videos, give him a thumbs up. He's got 3 short Lego stop motion videos. He saved up his allowance money to buy some special effects software that costs like 12 bucks to do the gunshots and muzzle flashes and bombs and explosions and stuff like that. It's very cool. Go check it out, links below, KO Bricks, go subscribe. Go check him out, go give him a thumbs up. Even cooler if you left a positive comment, that'd be awesome. That would really excite him and motivate him. He's really creative and I really encourage his creativity. I've been buying all this really cool kind of Lego for him. So yeah, check it out guys. And thank you for watching. I hope you are all doing really well. All right, and again, check out the links below to see what I'm up to. Check out my nature Instagram and my Twitter and all that stuff. And I promise I gotta get off my keister and make more videos for you guys. Bye.